day one of homecoming, and already, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. As you can see, I look good. I'm gonna give y'all a full view of the fit later on. I go to UA now. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, first of all, it's Thursday. Homecoming starts on Thursday, and I just installed this wig in like 30 seconds. Did my makeup in 30 seconds because I had a client. I did my best friend's hair. Call me arrogant Tay. Like, call me arrogant Tay. I did my best friend's hair, and I had to rush and do my hair and makeup, and then I did my friend's hair too. Listen, I'm ready now. So we finna be out because the lift is gonna be here, I think. But let me give y'all a quick view of the fit before we dip, and then we out, bro. Anyways, y'all, this is the fit for today. So we finally got our own lane. We gonna figure out how to work this. Actually, just finding out we can put our name on the screen. Honey. Girl, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Sorry, but y'all don't have to go home, but y'all have to leave the venue.
Sorry. Dang, not from kicking us out.
I just want to know what the...
She said sorry like she meant it. Alexis, you didn't mean that sorry.
No, I didn't.
She did not. It's giving VIP in a big old truck. You want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up?
What's up, vlog?
Birthday twins in the spot.
Birthday twins in the spot for me. So we're back on campus. The bus dropped us all the way down there. And I think our apartment is somewhere over here. First of all, that last function and then mad quick. Why am I back in my crib eating? That's crazy. It was on the floor. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm sorry if you hear a lot of background noise. I got the washing machine going because I need to get my clothes clean. But I'm very proud of myself. I went to my class today. My AM class. Yeah, I made it. And I did a presentation. And I body got. Like, we got a round of applause. Waiting for my friend to come up. She's coming by train. My best friend also invited her cousin and her friend to come. But let me tell y'all what's happening later on. Where are we going? One night stand? Yeah, there was 2 parties, one night stand and stamina, and everyone just got their tickets for one night stand. Like, I'm trying to see what's up. Yeah, she's ready. We all ready. As you can see, I'm wearing a little 2-piece velour suit. And I have on these pink Crocs, but I'm not going to keep the pink Crocs on because that's not the vibe tonight. The vibe is giving sneakers, so that's what I'm gonna be wearing sneakers. And yeah, but I'm gonna finish getting ready because I can't look and get ready at the same time. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done, and I'm not even gonna be doing that much, putting on lashes, and my friend gonna be here, and then we're gonna be out. And then we gonna be out, we outside, outside. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all. So we're just waiting on my friend to come. Everybody's dressed, I think. Let me just check about everybody. Y'all, guess who's here? Woo, it's homecoming weekend, baby. They got roasty all of a sudden. We outside. It's really the fact that we packed it like sardines.
Okay.
Facts. It's like a clown car.
We outside! I'm not gonna lie, there's mad heads.
Oh, what's the name?
Say what's up to the boy.
See a motherfucking light show. Everybody. Everybody. If you ready for Be Love, say yeah.
They kicking us out. We out of here. They said all of us we gotta get out. Woo, they getting mad. Reporting live from Albany's campus, we have strong gusts of winds and a forecast of thunderstorming. Like, literally, thunder. Hold on, my weight looking crazy. So, China just blessed us with some wings. And this is gonna be our lunch for today before we head out to the tailgate. But we're dead trying to figure out whether or not tailgate is like on a grass, on a concrete, because that determines the whole footwear. So while we wait and we go eat, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we dressed. Excuse my hair, I'm still trying to get ready. I didn't even blend my eyebrows. We're gonna ignore that. Yo, when I tell you, these storm clouds are looking crazy. It is only 3 o'clock. Do you see how dark these clouds are? These is wilding because the wind is beating them up right now. So yeah, essentially, tailgate is a dub. We tried. I mean, we still outside though. It's just a little water and wind, a little bit, just a little bit. I've been running a friend. Hold on, focus camera. I'm running around. We're running late. The show starts at 6:50. This rain threw us off completely. I'm not gonna lie. But let's go check up on everybody. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Say hey. That's my bestie's cousin over there. Hello. Hey y'all. Hey. We're meeting the Uber. Nice. All of us. It took us a while. What time was it? 7:46. 7:49. We're there. We're on our way. That's what matters. Y'all, this line is crazy. Wrapped around the building is not okay. So we gotta double up on umbrellas because it's dead raining. Look at this.
Oh, what the?
Y'all, I thought it really wrapped. It's definitely all the way down there. Oh, my heart. Hold on, let me look for people on the line. I tell y'all, I was panicking because we seen the line. We pulled up in the Uber. I said, oh no. And then Andrew, what's up, y'all? Andrew came to the rescue. He said, hey. I said, hi. Oh, we inside. We inside. Bet. All right, he don't gotta be in the video. Dang, you turned too late, huh? No, I turned back around. What you mean?
That's all right, let's get right there.
Nah, there's another escalator. You got another chance. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. Hey. Nah, I'm mad excited. Y'all excited? Yes. And yes, I do still need lip gloss. Direly. Oh my gosh, there's another line. Another one.
And look, Albany, I got a quick question. Where are my Capella Gray fans real quick? Any Capella Gray fans? Okay. Who came out to see Tootsie? Tootsie fans in here one time. Okay. Now the real motherfucking question is, who's ready to see Lil Durk in this shit? Real quick, I need to see everybody's flashlights on right now. Light it up! 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 Sing!
It's just the vibe I'm at. She put her legs in the sky whenever I pull up. She got her clothes up from the She won't waste no time. She don't want nobody else I know. But I can't be what she want. They all have the same story. They all want me to themselves, but I want. The city is my palace. I'm right here, New York City, and I want to see. And you see. She rolled up on me at the club. After she was telling all her friends that I'm a dub. She looked me in the eye and said, boy, you're mine.
What up? Let's go! Sing, Scott! Sing! What else? Where goes the duppy at? Where goes the duppy? What else? Ghost, turn it up for me. Turn it up for me.
Nah, because Anaya bought a whole water bottle twice because She lost the first one. But she's letting me have some because she's not. Love that.
Pretty girls love Tootsie on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Who's shiesty? That's my dog. But you know I'm really shiesty. We're back together again. Now we're trying to get an Uber because Mad Heads are here. And I know the price is about to go crazy. Oh dang, where's my umbrella? I don't think I'm gonna get my umbrella back because I was definitely on that side. Mad Heads. My ears are gone, bro. Oh my goodness. Y'all, we woke up dumb late. Almost missed the last bus heading to the breast cancer work. I was running. I'm tired. But we made it. We're in pink. As we should. But I'm tired. I'm gonna drink some water. And I'll catch y'all when we're there. Hey y'all. Okay, so it's raining again. Like it's just a rainy weekend, I guess, because my goodness, a little rain ain't gonna stop nobody. We got an umbrella. We look cute. We in our pink. Okay. We're in our pink. Hey y'all. All right, so we are on our way to the Aboogie concert. I mean, to have a part 2 right after part 1, this is like Netflix, you know, when they finally release a new season and you get to binge it just a little bit. And we have to wait for the next one. But anyways, I'm chatting right now. I'm excited. In my bag now, bro. I got shit I've never had now. I can brag now. But my bitch is Louis bag now. She a brand now. Ooh. Sorry. And we're early-ish, kind of, sort of. Yeah. Sort of, kind of. Y'all, we're here. Well, I think we're almost there. I think it's further down a bit, actually. But we're on the way there. We're not completely late. Not entirely. And it's cold, but it's like full chilly, layer up type of cold. Yes, we are excited. I mean, that's fine right now. Y'all, they turned on all the lights, turned off the music, was like, if we don't back up, they canceling the concert. It's giving school event. It's giving $15 concert.
When I say high, you say bridge. High? High? Well, all my ladies that love Aboogie, make some motherfucking noise right now.
Y'all, lifestyle, rock style might not make it. Makeup on my t-shirt, I hate it, bro. I was right there. We was right there. When we in a concert, we move. We was from the back.
And we like slowly gradually
got to the front. By the time Aboogie was out, we was
right there.
Right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This whole weekend, bro, it's cold. And back to back. fun. Bro. No, facts. Like, I'm genuinely, like, pleasantly, I'm just so happy right now. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry though. Let's get on. So, I feel like this is the end of homecoming. I'm not gonna lie. We're concluding this wonderful weekend. I had a great time. Anaya had a great time. My best friend jammed her toe though, and she got a good shirt. Well, she didn't get a good shirt. It wasn't good. It's giving school spirit. That's what the shirt's giving. Mentality. Yeah. We had a grand old time. Ooh, I'm gonna end the vlog though. Catch y'all.